Hi, in this video we're going to look at transformation for the function f of x is equal to the square root of x. You can easily obtain this function if you know y is equal to x squared and reflect the positive part in the line y is equal to x. You'll get this curve here. Now, this GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video. What happens if I want to find f of 4 minus x? Now this is different because normally we just have x minus 4 or x plus 3, but this is slightly different. So we've got 4 minus x. Now we could rewrite that as minus x plus 4, and then if we wanted to we could take the minus sign out but still keep it in the function, take the minus sign out, so that will become x and that will become minus 4 if we factorize out a minus x. And now we have two cases to consider. F of minus brackets x minus 4 and then f of minus x plus 4. So what are the transformations in order to get to the image? So if we look at this one first of all, f of minus brackets x minus 4, we'll just click. Okay, so what this is, because of the minus sign here, what this does, it is a reflection in the y-axis. So if we just make q, which normally we use for that one letter we use, to minus 1, okay, and then click to reveal the image, we get this curve here. So if I click that, that's f of minus x, okay, and then what we need to do is translate it 4 units in this direction, nothing in the vertical direction. This seems a bit strange. We're going to actually move h this way, and you can see the curve now moving being translated 4 units this way, and this is the actual equation. So we've got y is equal to f of 4 minus x, which is the square root of 4 minus x. That's its equation. So that's if we try to use this one here. Now, if we try to use the other one, which is f of minus x plus 4, with no brackets in here, let's just get rid of what we've just done here. So let's get rid of these two. And for the moment, just get rid of the equation and then put q back to 1 and h back to 0. Okay, so this time what we do, so there is the original curve. Just click to get the image. Okay, so this time what we do here is it's like unpacking this one. We do the 4 first and then the minus x. So we'll do a translation minus 4, 0. So we will move h four places there. So that's now been translated back 4. Remember, if it's plus here, it normally means go this direction. Okay, and then that will be followed. We'd have to do a reflection for the minus part in the y-axis. If we just click here, we can see the intermediate step, which is that will appear. And now if we now make q minus 1, so that orange graph gets reflected in the y-axis, again we can see that that will give me the same equations I got the first time I did it. Okay, so either way, if you do it, you will get the equation that you want. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do a tricky transformation with f of 4 minus x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching, and I remind you that the GeoGebra app will be in the notes of this video. Thank you very much.